Hi, I am Shantanu Chakravarti. Today I will teach you about number system. So let me discuss what is a number system. A number system is a writing system for expressing numbers that are mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set using digits and other symbols in a consistent way. So let me show you some slides. See, this is a slide of a number system. Uh, Here it is written number system is simply defines how a number can be represented using a distinct symbols. There are certain number systems. These are decimal, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number systems. First, let me discuss some different types of numbers. They are natural number, which are common counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Prime numbers are natural number greater than 1 which has more factors than 1 and itself, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Whole numbers, the set of natural number with number 0 adjoined, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. Integer, whole number with their opposites. Integer is always represented by z. Z equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This. Then let us come to composite number. A natural number greater than 1 which has more factor than 1 and itself. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. This. Irrational number. All number which can't be written in fraction. This irrational number is represented as f. This is equal to pi root 2 0.12 122 etc etc. Rational number, all number which are can be written as fraction. Q minus half 0.033 etc. Real number, the set of rational number with the set of irrational number adjoint. Minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1 by 5, root 2 by 4, etc. Complex number, this is also a very important number which is always represented by capital C. The number which can be written in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are the real number and I is square root of minus 1. Now, the definition of bit, a unit of information either 0 or 1 in a binary notation. Byte, the group of binary digits are known as byte. Base or radix, the base, the number of digits that is used in it. So, let us discuss what is a decimal number system. The decimal number system is a number system which we generally use, such as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. The prefix deci is always stands for 10 with base 10 we generally use. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, the position of the digit of the number. Example of decimal is 52, 16.83. This. See, each position represents the power of 10, such as 401. 4 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power 0 equal to 400 plus 1. See, 130. This is an example. 1 into 10 square plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 0 into 10 to the power 0 equal to 100 plus 30 means 130. In this way 9786 is also calculated here. You can clearly see this. Now let us discuss about binary number system. This binary number system always represented as 0 and 1. These are two digit, and you must always remember the binary number system is that number system is always being represented by the computer memory. Since the system has two digits, it has a base of 2. All digital computers use this number system. I have already said the prior discussion. Since a computer is made up of electronic component, it can only have two states, either on and off, where on represent 1 and off represent 0. So the data given to the computer is converted into binary from because of a computer understand only binary system. Example 987 base 10. So the conversion to decimal to binary system is always, so it as it is a base 2, so 987 is divisible by when it is, when not divisible, when you divide by 2, then it keeps a remainder of 1. Then the dividend is 493, then it is divided by 2, then 1. 246, it has 0. 2123, remainder 1. 261, remainder 1. 2 divided by 30, remainder 0. 2 divided by 15, remainder 0. 2 divided by 7, remainder 1. 2 divided by 3, remainder 1. So the decimal number becomes, from lower to upper, you have to calculate the reminders. You have to not calculate, you have to write the reminders. 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. This is the decimal number system. Decimal number that is convert, this is the binary number that is converted into decimal of 987. Here conversion to binary system, binary to decimal numbers is also given. The rule is multiply each binary number with 2 having the power 0 for unitary position starting from extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1 keeping the base fixed as 2. Sum up all the products and get the decimal numbers. Then it comes octal number system. It has base 8. The octal number system consists of 8 digits 0 to 7. 27 base 8 equal to 2 into 8 to the power 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0 equal to 6 plus 7 is equal to 23. This is same as these steps as we have seen in the decimal number system. Here it is 10. Here we have to write in octal, it is 8. Then hexadecimal number, it is base of 16. Example 28 to the power 6 equal to 28h. 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus 8 into 6 to the power 0 equal to 40. Here you can see the decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. See, decimal 0, binary you have to write in a 4 digit, you can write up to 8. 0 0 0, octal it is 0, hexadecimal 0. Here it comes up to 9. See, 1001, octal it is 11 and hexadecimal it is 9. Then 10, 1010, then it is 12 in for octal, and in hexadecimal A. So you can always remember that in hexadecimal system 10 to 15 you have to write A B C D E F. Then it starts from 1 itself. So thank you. This is my lecture for today.